Hi there, I'm Linda Tremor, and I would like to invite you to an exclusive webinar. Have you always wanted an online business, but you don't have a website or a list or even a product to sell? This webinar, presented by my mentor, is going to show you how you too can make money online without any of those things all the so-called gurus tell you that you need. In this exclusive webinar, Dean will take you inside the system he uses to generate thousands of dollars each and every day. You will see the step-by-step system that you can use to create your own automated internet business. You will see how this system works and how it can work for you too. The hardest part is to believe it is possible for you. Take a chance on yourself. You have nothing to lose by attending this webinar and everything to gain. So click the button below to register, and I hope to see you there. Click the button, and thanks for listening.